Hello students, today we are going to see what is quartile. So quartile is a concept of dividing any range of data into four parts. All data will be divided into four parts and one part will be known as quartile, and first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, fourth quartile all together will be known as quantile. So quartile becomes quantile. So here we can see one example that any series of data which starts with from A and goes up to B, and all the data in this range will be distributed in 100, a scale of 100. So if we divide this data in two parts, here you can see, then this will be middle of this data and this will be 50% of data. So if we divide further this data, then this will denote 25% of data. Here C is the 50% and 50% again divided in two parts, then it is 25%, like that. Here also C to B, two parts are there, that is 50%. So this is first quartile, this is second quartile, this is third quartile, this is fourth quartile. All quartile represents 25% of data. So quartile 2 is nothing but what? Median of the data, where median lies, and Q1 is first 25%. Below this range all data will be 25% of the total data. So like that. So now we are going to see how to calculate quartiles. Already I told quartiles means 25% of data. Next 25%, first quartile and second quartile, both if it is added, then it becomes 50% of the data, that is median. Now take one example and understand this. Suppose we have conducted an examination of 10 marks, and out of 10 these 7 students got this much marks, and keep in mind that you have to keep all the marks in ascending order so that correct result can be calculated. So one student got 1 marks, other student got 3 marks, 4 marks, 7 marks, 2 student got 8 marks, and 1 student got 9 marks. When you are preparing any result of the examination, then when you are arranging marks in a particular order, so top can be found, top student can be found, and suppose we have to select only those students who are getting 8 or more marks, so you can select from here to 8 to 9, so 3 students can be selected. So this is the process of examination. Now how to find out quartile? So to count this, to calculate this quartile, you have to remember one formula. First you have to arrange this marks in ascending order, then you have to count the total number of students appeared. Here total number of students are 7 and marks of examination is 10. Okay. So how to calculate first quartile? First quartile means the marks below that 25% students are lying. The marks below that 25% of students are lying. That is called first quartile. So first quartile Q1, it is denoted by Q1, quartile 1, 25%, and it is also called 25th percentile. So percentile means from there all 25% students will be lying in this range. Next, how to calculate first quartile? The first quartile can be calculated as Q1 equal to 25% means 0.25 into n plus 1. N is what? N is here, n is 7. 7 means number of students appeared in the examination. So 25 into n plus 1, that is 7 plus 1, 8. 8 into 25, it becomes 2.0, and 2.0 means second. So second observation means second observation. What is the second observation? Second observation means second student. Second student is where? 3. So first student got 1, second student got 3, and this from here 25% students are lying. So 25% students are able to score 3 marks or less than 3 marks in the examination. This is the meaning of this calculation. So now we will see with the with help of example in programming. So I will start Jupyter, and suppose this is the marks obtained by students. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So total 9. So we want to know that 25% students of this examination, how much they are able to score. So for that we have to, this is one simple list of Python, as you know, and what we have to do before that, we have to import pandas as PD, because we are going to change this list into what? Data frame. So data frame can be written as df equal to pd dot data frm, data frame. F and D will be capital letter. Next we are going to change what? Marks into data frame. Okay. So here we can give one, suppose we print this data frame. So what it will give? Print df. So it will give just a Yes, it is giving just a data frame converted from a list. So here 0 means what? It is name of column. So it can be also written column column equal to, I'll write obtained marks. So if you run, then it will give one column name as obtained marks. Now we want to know that what is the first quartile which denote 25% of a student, and what is the maximum marks which is obtained by 25% of students. So for that we will write print df dot quantile in bracket, you can write 2.2.5 and comma axis equal to 0. So what output will come, you can see here. So one more bracket will be there, run again, invalid syntax 0.12 print 1 2 sorry, no. Yes, now it is correct. So here we can see 25% of students are getting what? 110 marks, means 25% of students are able to score 110 or less than 110 marks. That is here, this is the first quartile. Quartile means first quarter, and all quarter will become quantile. So if you want to see what is 50%, then you can write like this, comma 0.50 comma 0.75 and run it. So again error is coming. What is the error? Okay, so we have to provide this range of values in list so that this can be seen separately. Here you are able to see first quartile means first 25% students are able to score 110 marks, and 50% students are able to score 125 marks or less than this, and 75% students are able to score 140 or less than this. So this is the concept of quantile and quartile. Thank you very much.